have 3 daughters and no sons. Am I allowed to make a will to give my property to my daughters during my lifetime without giving any share to my siblings? Should it be transferred in their names and official documents taken? And will I have any right on the property after that? Allah Azza wa Jal is the most merciful, most knowledgeable. He himself was the one who divided the wealth over the heirs of a deceased. So he's the one who told us that when I die, 2/3 of my wealth go to my daughters because I don't have any sons. Now, when I'm rich, I say 2/3 goes to my daughters, 1/8 goes to my wife, 1/6 goes to my mother, and the rest goes to my siblings. What's the rest, Akhi? Come on, Annie, give me a break. It's a negligible portion given, even if you had no wife, no mother. If you had only daughters, 2/3, 66% would go to your daughters, and 33% would go to your siblings. You still don't like this. So no, I don't like my siblings. Why should they inherit? This is what Allah dictated. There is so much good in it that you and I may not see. Among the good is, after your death, who will take care of your daughters? Who is their guardian? When they get married, they have to seek the permission of their uncle, paternal uncle, your brother, whom you're trying to deprive. When there is something that is needed legally, as a guardian, as a protector, as a representative, your brother is the one who does all of this. So if you insist on depriving him from inheritance, and he feels deprived, and he feels that my brother doesn't want me to inherit or benefit none whatsoever, this may jeopardize the relationship between your daughters, who need a guardian, who need a man, and their uncle. This is one of the justifications. Nevertheless, if it's your wealth, it's your money. So if you said, no, I'm still Sheikh, I don't feel like I want my brother to inherit anything, or my sisters, or whomever. So how can I maneuver? Scholars say that in your lifetime, whatever you do with your wealth as a gift is valid. So maybe you say, okay, I have a lot of money. I'd like to donate it all to a masjid. What about your kids, your wife, your siblings? Say, I don't care. I just want to give all of my money to the masjid, or to an Islamic center, or to a satellite Islamic television channel, or to publishing copies of the Quran in different languages and distributing it all over the world, or to do this, or to do whatever. No one can say, hey, no, this is haram. It's totally legit. So if you want to give all of your wealth to all of your daughters, this is an accepted gift, providing that it is done instantly, not after your death. 2, that it is actual gift, meaning that they take possession of it, and not something stored in the lawyer's drawer or in your safe, or you just wrote it and transferred the deeds in their names, but you kept the deeds with you so that they would not be able to sell it. No, this is not a real gift. A real gift, in order to be valid, has to be possessed by the one that it was given to. So you give them access to money and the bank account, It should be in their name, and they should have full access. You have no access to it. You cannot prevent them from using it. Otherwise, it's not a real gift. Likewise, the property. You divide the property upon your 3 daughters. It should be transferred in their names, and they should have the deeds in their hands. If they want to sell it today, you can't stop them. And they have all the right to do so. This is a valid, legitimate gift, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.